Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 111 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman from our good old pals over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourselves and build along with me, this beautiful 1/8 scale car, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. You too can be building one of these with me. Right, let's have a look through this week's magazine. It says the joke is on Catwoman. The Great Batman Comics is the mightiest team in the world. Year by year is Batman 24, Dawn of DC, it says there. Continuation there of what's going on in that comic there. And here's our car parts, folks. We're going to be fitting the front fender panel to our model, allowing the hood to be installed. There you go. There's all the brackets that go on. We're then going to secure that to the underside there of the front shell section. So we're going to need that again. Couple of screws going in there just to pinch that together. And then we're going to be fitting the hood or the bonnet if you're in the UK to that panel like so. Making sure it's all in place, lined up, and that's what we're going to end up with at the end there. The whole front of the car with the bonnet in place. So that's the magazine done. We'll put that to one side, folks. When we come back, we'll start a bit of assembly. Right, 111. So let's get this. This is the fender tray underneath front fender panel, which is just underneath the front end of the Batmobile. Just dresses up around the lower edge of that grille, folks, okay? So we got that. We got some brackets and some screws. So we'll be attaching that, and we'll also be fitting the bonnet as well. So let's get this open. Let's go for 111B, which is that one. That's going on there. We've got a shipping panel to remove, so let's remove that. And we'll pop the screws to one side. We'll bag them at the end along with that. Might come in handy for summer. Now we want to fit this bracket in situ. And we want that bracket to look that way round. Okay? And then that's going to go on these two posts just in there like so. Home the screw because it's locked straight in place because there's a couple of little recesses. Another bit of oil on there. Like that. That will go in there like so. And then we'll do the same now on the other side. Let's pop them safely over there. And that's going to go on there. Another CM screw. Pop a bit of oil on. And we'll do the same. Grab the next screw, pink, you'll do. Like that. So that's that done. That's what we should look like, folks, okay? We then want to flip this and join it to the body shell front section, okay? So we'll grab a pair of CMs, put a bit of oil on the first one, in our front section, like so. And then this is going to flip over. These two pegs will locate here and here, and these brackets will go here and here, okay? So let's line them up, straight in place, like that, like so. Boom, straight in there. And then we're going down in there. Like that. I'm going to need my skinny Partwork screwdriver to get right down in there. Grab the next screw, do the same again. Bit of oil. That's that in. Yeah, it's going nowhere. So that's those done. We didn't want to spin it this way round. And we want to come in there with 2 cm screws as well. Grab our obligatory bit of oil. Sling you out of the way. That's you. Turn you round so I can see the other side, which is just there. Next bit. So that's that done. That now leaves us a spare CM screw. Pop that away over there. And then I think we'll be attaching the bonnet now. And then we'll be putting in the screw caps at the end. Okay. Let's grab our bonnet and we'll be popping that in. Let's try and delicately locate that. Place the hood in the matching recess. So yeah, okay. Right, so we're in. So let's put the screws in. Get the claw. And see whether we can just rest in a front screw there. Like that. And get that screwdriver through that hole. Just to start that off. And then we'll do the same with this one. I'll drop a little bit of oil on her. Like that. Then rest that in. Let's pop that in there. Like that. And that gives us that bonnet in then, like that. So that's what we want. And it seems to sit down nice and flush. It didn't at first, so I just had to use my smooth goddamn pliers and a little bit of tape on the bonnet. Because I think in transit, the leading edges of the bonnet dropped down a tad. So I taped up the front here and just bent them little wings up a tad because it was fouling on the lights. But now that bonnet seems to do its thing, tilt up nicely and drops down nicely. So that's what you want, folks, okay? Apart from the fingerprints, she is looking rather stunning. So now that that's on, we can then come back underneath and put our little screw caps on in place. Now he's got a little woodruff key at the front there, and these will press just underneath there and dress and close off these little panels, okay? So we'll put them in. Don't think they're going to fall out. Let's test one, make sure. That doesn't appear to. Pop that in there. Like that. Oh yeah, they've got a little peg on them that fits in the hole. So there you go, folks. That is that issue sorted. And as you can see, she's beginning to really come together quite nicely now. So that's that issue done, folks. So don't forget, if you'd like to grab one of these and build along with me, pop over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop, and you too can be building one of these Batmobiles. Also, to help me out, if you can just click a little faster and subscribe to the channel, I'll be immensely grateful. Grows the channel, keeps it alive. Ring the bell whilst you're there to be notified of upcoming content. Remember to thumbs up and hype the video for me. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye. Bye-bye for now.